So HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, Ma mo is the L'cho Ephraim. What shall I do to you, Ephraim? Mo is the L'cho Yehuda, what shall I do to you, Yehuda? V'chastachem Kanan Boket. Your chesed, that means the chesed, here in the sense, your lakwa for the bobo is like the morning cloud. Meaning, in the morning you see a cloud, but then comes the sun, it burns it up, disappears. K'hal Mashkim Hol. It's like the dew that's there at night. And Mashkim Hol, early, it disappears. It only goes away. Very beautiful thought. When does the tshuva come? When it's night and it's dark. So does the dew. But when it gets a little light, but better, then it disappears. The sun begins to rise, the clouds are burned up, the dew disappears. This teshuva is in despair, in great despair. He turns to HaKadosh Baruch Hu about what shall I do to you? Shall I leave you always in the Tzoros? Always in the Tzoros, you'll do teshuva. But we said, but Sarah, but Sarah is nothing good. But Sarah, yes. But suppose I send the sunshine, all disappears.